So we have our gulaman here. One yellow, that's mango flavor, pandan, and strawberry. And then two beige, which is lychee flavored. Okay, so we will prepare all these. These are our molds. Okay, two cups of water here. And then we're going to use one first, one after the other. Okay, let's open each pack. There, this is the yellow. This one is the pandan. That one is the mango. Here's the pandan. And here is the strawberry flavored, the red one. Okay. And we will open this later on. Okay, we will do our colored ones first. Okay, we'll use the mango first. Mix well before you put in your spoon. So 2 cups of water, then you mix one sachet of the gulaman mango flavor, and you put sugar too. Okay, and you put a little sugar. You can adjust the taste. And then you can put this in the stove. So I will set this aside for this to settle. Next will be another color, and that's the red one. Two cups of water. One and two. Get your red. Melt it first. Put in your sugar according to your taste preference. Like this. And mix well. into the mold. Two cups water. 1 and 2. And the green pandan flavor. Okay. And put a little sugar to taste. Almost there. We are almost there. We're done. And let's pour. Since we don't have the bigger ones, let's try these smaller molds. So 2 equivalent to 1 of the bigger size. Okay, as you can see, we have this yellow, then the red, and 2 smaller ones, but it's also equivalent to 1 of the big containers. Okay, if you have space inside your ref, you can opt to refrigerate to let it cool down. Or as it is, it's actually very easy to settle. The mold is done. There you have it. So 2 options. So we can talk about the mold. If you have one that is bigger, it's much better. This one is a good size. Yes, for personal consumption at home. There you have it. And I have also one that is shaped in a heart. So before you mix your creamy white gelatin, you have to make sure that your colorful cathedral windows are ready. You have already cut them into cubes and then just ready to put inside your mold. So you put them here, you arrange them first before you mix because it's very quick to set. So you can prepare your molds, squares, circles, hearts, whatever shape you would like them. Make sure to cut this into cubes. 1 and 2 and 3 4. Parang hindi pa siya settled ah. Why? Settled na yan. Nag-move lang siya eh. Parang meron pang portion na hindi ganun ka. Let's try the red one. Oh, settled na settled yung red eh. Ayan. Okay. Okay na siya. Oo. Ano mo muna lahat dito. Perfect yung red. Yung yellow ang medyo hindi nagsettle. Pero siya yung nauna, no? Yun lang. Minsan may mga ganyan. Tawag dyan. Technical errors. So, we made 2 of the green. Ang green, wala din problema eh. Oh. So, let's cut. Cathedral window eh. Sa yellow lang tayo nagproblema. Gawin natin dito sa yellow. Pwede tayo problema. Isa-isahin. Ayan oh. Hindi siya masyadong settled eh. Ayan siya eh. Okay. Lagyan mo na lang. Oh, ayan oh. Ayan. Ayan. Hatiin mo na siya. I-distribute mo na siya. Distribute na siya. Bago mo gawin ang cream. Or else, mahihirapan ka mamaya. Kasi mabilis siyang mamuo. At pag namuo na siya, hindi mo na siya maibabalik. Cathedral window. Ito naman, ang yellow. Ang yellow na problematic. Ayan siya oh. Ayan siya oh. Di bale, basta importante may makita pa rin yellow. Okay. At importante masarap yung ating gelatin at masarap ang ating how do you call this? The cream. Yun ang importante doon. Mamuo siya ng tunay. Okay, mamaya natin dadagdagan ha. Mamaya na dadagdagan. Ito, dagdagan natin yung yellow doon. Yellow. Yellow. More yellow. More yellow there. Some more yellow here. Some more yellow here and there. Baka mas maganda lang talaga mag-mold sa plastic kaysa metal na katulad nito. Ewan. Ewan. Tararan. La 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 la. Na na na. Lulubog, lilitaw ang buwan at araw. Dararan, darararan naman. Minamahal Ta-da! Ayan na. I prepared my own milk. So how many cups are these? Because I don't have evaporated milk. That's 1. And here's a little close to 2 cups. That's enough. No condensed milk. All we need to put is the cream. Here's the cream. Here's the cream, 1 container. So we will put inside the whole 1 whole pack. There you go. And we are going to mix well. Before we put our white gulaman, which is lychee flavored. So there's already sugar in here. No need to add because I made my own mix in the absence of evaporated milk and condensed milk. So I just made my own, which is milk powder. Okay, let's mix. Okay, now that you have mixed this, you can slowly add your, but make sure you're ready with your other one. What is that other one? The colorful cubes of your cathedral window. Okay, here's our 1 cup water. Okay, here we go. Ito na po. I'm putting in 2 packs. Two packs of white creamy gulaman. And let's turn on the heat. Stir, stir, stir. Fingers crossed, this will be yummy. And perfect setting. Ang buwan at araw. Da-da-da. Let it cool. So that our colorful cubes will not get melted. Because they might melt when we put the very hot mixture. Just right. The colorful gelatin must be ready first.